Hi guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. So this video is basically about what you're seeing right now, this super defined and cute cast on my hair, and I'm here to show you how I did it. So for this video I am using styling gel from Cantu, and I have coconut curling cream from Cantu, and they are meant for natural hair. And about my hair, I haven't washed my hair, but what I did, I just sprayed my hair with warm water, and then I applied the leave-in conditioner from Cantu, and now I'm just parting my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply coconut curling cream. Here we go. And then after that I'll apply the gel and we'll see how it goes. And I'm assuming that you know how to twist your hair, and if you don't know how to twist your hair, let me know in the comment section below and I'll see what to do about it. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't know what my channel will do without you. You're such an amazing person. Thank you so much for your kindness, just always coming back to watch my video. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for coming. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, my dear? Go ahead and hit the subscription button below and leave me a sweet comment and give me a thumbs up. So I'm almost done. Here I am, I'm almost done. So I just love my natural hair. Like, I'm so enthusiastic about my natural hair, and I feel so good when I am doing it, when I'm just showing people and sharing with people what I am doing with my hair. Like, it is so fulfilling, and it is just a nice thing to do, and I'm so grateful about it. And this is how it is looking like, and it took me about a half an hour to finish this. And this is the next day, and my hair is dry right now. You can see my hair is shrunken, and I'm using extra virgin olive oil to apply to my hair, just to give my hair some shine. And I'll go ahead and unravel the twist, and we'll see what will happen. We're gonna see the results. Yeah, but I love how my twists are feeling. My twists are so soft and so wavy, and I don't know, this product is so nice. So this is it. I like my curls, and this was the first time I tried to use the gel on my hair. Most of the time I use it just to lay my edges a little bit, but here I love this gel. It is so good. About the coconut curling cream, I have used it for a while, and see how my hair is looking like I have used this coconut curling cream for a while, and I love it. Since I started to be natural, I have been using the curling cream from Cantu, because it is so rich in moisture. It makes my hair so soft, and if my hair is soft, what else will I need? So I love this product. And this gel, it is not it doesn't make your hair crunchy. It doesn't make your hair feel so hard and dry. It is not flaky. It is such a nice gel. Yani, I just love it. So this is the result. I was just loving my hair, and I'm so happy. And I'm gonna try this again and again. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up and share this video. And I was just so happy, and you can read it on my face. So I'll see you in my next one next week. Bye bye.